Welcome back everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be canning up some summer relish. This is the last of our cucumbers, and I just saved out the ones that we can't use that were too big, but they're perfect for relish. I'm making a double batch, but you'll need 4 quarts of chopped cucumbers, 3 large sweet peppers chopped, 5 medium onions chopped, 3 cups of vinegar, a half a cup of salt, 1.5 tablespoons of celery seed, and 5 cups of sugar. I'm going to run my cucumbers, onions, and sweet peppers through the food processor to chop them up. But first I'm going to remove the big seeds from the cucumbers. I got this mixed up in a big container. Next, I'm going to put a half a cup of salt over top of it. This will be a whole cup for me. And then I'm going to mix that up, cover it with ice, and let it set for 3 hours. After the 3 hours, the ice should be pretty well melted. Next, we're going to strain all the water off of the relish mixture. I just use a spoon to help press the liquid out of the relish. After we've got all the liquid out, we'll let that set aside. We're going to work on the brine now. We're going to put in 5 cups of sugar, 3 cups of white vinegar, 1.5 tablespoons of celery seed. Then we add the relish mixture to the brine, and we're going to bring that up to a boil. I'm going to can this in half-pint jars. You want to bring it up to a 1/2 inch of headspace, then debubble, wipe the rim of your jar, then add a lid and a ring and put it in the canner. And there you have it, summer relish. We'll have enough relish probably for a couple years. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.